Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ada here, and today you guys I'm going to be trying something that I have never done before. Of course, my channel is a new channel, so I am going to be doing the vlogmas. So this will be the day one of vlogmas and my introduction to vlogmas. I just hope I keep up with it, which I am trying so hard to be able to keep up with. So what are we going to do today? We are just going to go ahead. I'm just going to go ahead and do a little bit of a little clean with me. I'll be cleaning up for today for the night. Let me show you guys what I do before I go to bed. So this is day one of vlogmas. So if you are new to this channel, do go ahead and click that red subscribe button and join the family, and also click on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. Okay, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always turning back in and supporting your girl. I really do appreciate all your support. And yeah, so let's just get started. Vlogmas day one. I have never done this before, so this is my first time. We'll get there. We'll get there. Okay, so let's just get started. Let's get cleaning. Let me give you a little bit of a cleaning motivation. Okay, so get up and clean with me. So guys, today I did not have I did not have much dishes because it was already at night, and this is more like a nighttime clean with me. So this is practically what I do at night before I go to bed, so that when I wake up in the morning I have a clean house. I wake up to a clean house. It just sets my mood right. I just feel good that way. So that is what I do when I wake up, and yeah, the house is good. I know you guys feel the same way. Like when you wake up and the house is all clean and sparkly, all you have to do is just walk around for a bit and then just make breakfast and eat, and wash up the dishes or anything, and just relax in the morning. It just gives me this relaxing vibes. So that's what I do at night, pick up all the mess that the kids made. So guys, this is like my first time doing vlogmas, so I'm just trying to get a hang of it, like to even know what I'm doing. But this is what I feel like I want to do, honestly. As the vlogmas goes on, I'll definitely be doing more vlogs, day in the life and all that we do during this holiday period. So definitely I'll be doing all that. So subscribe if you have not done that already. Subscribe and click on the notification bell so you don't miss all those juicy updates and all those juicy vlogs. Okay, so yeah, I hope you enjoy this cleaning motivation. I hope this motivates you to get up on this first day of vlogmas and clean your house so it is ready for the holidays, and everywhere looking good, looking sweet, and all good for looking good for all that food we're about to eat and get fat in peace, because it is what it is. I'm about to eat and get fat in peace. So please do not comment on my picture saying, oh, you're getting, please don't do that. You are in my business, don't do that. So, and today I actually did not feel like vacuuming. Oh wait, yeah, I did not vacuum today. I just kind of brushed it. This is just at night, so I wasn't doing any heavy cleaning per se, so I was just doing the normal night routine cleaning, pick up here and there and just make the house. I always like the house looking clean when I wake up in the morning, so that's basically what I do all night. And on this day, of course, it's the holidays, so the kids decided, oh, we are not going to sleep early today, let's just stay awake and watch this woman. So they are free, that's their business, as I go about my own business. it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know if you guys, yeah, of course, I know you like my small gist. You like me gisting and talking and all that. So yeah, so I'm just praying so hard. Like, this YouTube life is really so difficult, honestly. And you can imagine me with 3 kids, trying to film, trying to edit all by myself, trying to do this and that. It is just something else. I'm not even going to lie, it is so difficult. Like, sometimes I received a comment, a lady commented, and she was like, how do you keep up, how do you even have the strength to keep going, to keep posting pictures, videos, and you don't even have views? I'm like, man. And honestly, when she asked me that question, that was when I really like realized it. I was like, I don't get views, but then I keep pushing, I keep posting content. Like, that was when it hit me. Like, I was like, yeah, that makes sense. I've never really, I mean, I think about it sometimes, but not like the way she said it. Someone else telling you something that hits different. Okay, so that was like, oh my god, really? This is how people see it? Like, I don't even get views. But to me, I'm just like putting out content, pushing and trying my best. To me, that is what I am doing. But when she made that comment, I was like, now this hit different. Like, I started thinking about it harder than I have ever thought about it. But I was like, I told her I'm just keeping the faith that one day something will change and I'll start getting the views and other things that people start watching and all that. I just believe it doesn't just happen in a day, it just goes on. So if you are a small YouTuber and you're watching this, a small YouTuber like me, and you're watching this, I don't know what else to say, but don't give up, keep pushing, keep going. I just believe that we'll get there someday. All these people that are already on 100,000 subscribers, 10,000 subscribers, 20,000 subscribers, they didn't just start like that and then hit 10,000. I mean, some people's growth on YouTube is like really amazes me, but everybody's journey is different. So your journey is different. Do go ahead and do whatever you can do, as long as you still have that strength and your strength can carry you. Just go ahead and keep pushing. That's basically what I'm doing. I just keep pushing and posting content, even though I don't get much views. It feels like people are not even interested in watching your channel. It feels like you are just not even there, like they are not even seeing you. That's how it feels sometimes. But I just keep pushing. And when that lady made that comment, I mean, she didn't say it like to me, I don't feel like she said it in bad faith or anything. No, she didn't say it like that. She was just like, well done, that kind of that sort of thing. So that was just it. And but when she said it, made that comment, that was when it just hit me. That day I felt kind of, I won't even lie, I felt somehow, like that was when I felt bad. I was like, oh my god, that's really true. People are not even watching. When something is happening, but when someone else says it to you, that's when you realize that, okay, now other people are seeing this too, and that doesn't look nice. But yeah, we keep moving. We move. We what? We move. Because I have been working so hard. I have been putting so much effort in this, and it has to pay off. I have been working so hard, putting so much effort in this. I'm not about to give up now. At least, like, I know before when I post, I don't even see anybody watching. But now I know at least if I post, even if it's 20 people watching, even if it's, I don't. The funny thing is, those comments honestly keeps me going. That's the funny thing. Those little small, even if it's a one comment, 2, 3, those comments, I'm like, yes, okay, people are watching, and you people don't even know how much those comments mean to me. I'm like, yeah, people are watching, okay, people are watching and all that. Just like people are watching, it means if they leave a comment, it means they are watching. So even if it's 5 people, keep them entertained, keep going. So your audience will keep growing like that. That's all I can say, because I don't really know how to do all this motivational speaking and all this stuff. Just do what you can do. That's all I can say. Yeah, like seriously, I'm not much of it, but it is what it is. We'll get there. And then if you have any tea, like this kids room gets so messy. Like I begin to wonder if we are all living in the same house. Like how? Their room gets so messy. Like, oh Lord, you clean up right now and the next minute is already turning messy. Like, is this general with everybody's kids or is it just mine? Because I'm going crazy. Like, this is not even fun. Their room gets so messy. Like, you guys will see what I'm talking about when I post my next cleaning video. I'll definitely be cleaning their room up, of course, getting it ready for the holidays, and you guys will understand what I'm talking about. I'm going to like try to fix their room to be okay. Like I try everything, but still, see how she's just laying down there like she's a nice person. She's not. Don't let that innocent face fool you. Olivia always helps out. I mean, I believe Tiffany helps out too, but when she just feels like, yeah. I just hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you've gotten to this point and you're looking at that red subscribe button and it's still red, since you are not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and click that subscribe button. Click on the notification bell as well so you know whenever I post any new video. I got you, okay? If you love everything cleaning, like just like you're watching right now, and if you love everything organization, hauls, you know, some yummy vlogs and all that good stuff, mommy lifestyle, you know, with these 3 bambinos that I have right here and all that, so this channel is for you. What else are you waiting for? Do go ahead and subscribe and click on the notification bell. And to all the people that have been supporting me, this year has been one hell of a year, but to all the people that have been supporting me, you guys don't even know how much I appreciate it. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Thank you so much for always watching and commenting. Those comments, those likes, those views, they mean a whole lot to me. Thank you so much for keeping me motivated. I really do appreciate you guys, and I officially welcome you all to the month of December, the holiday, the Christmas. Merry Christmas to us all. Yeah, we are in this together. So Merry Christmas to everybody. Welcome to the official holiday season where we eat and get fat in peace. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video, which is the next day, because this is vlogmas, we are going all out. Okay, so keep watching, make sure you finish watching. Thank you, and don't skip them ads because your sis needs it. Okay, bye. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.